Hello everyone, today we'll be upgrading the standard bulbs on a 2020 Rogue. They come with standard H11 bulbs, so I went ahead and ordered some LED ones from Amazon. They were fairly cheap, $39.99, and I've gone ahead and changed the passenger one and gonna go ahead and do the driver one with you guys. So I'll show you guys the difference. The yellow bulbs. This would be the HID bulb. So from Amazon, purchased these. Very well built. Comes with zip ties, and you can see that's how they are. Has a little resistor, ballast, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's go ahead and put them in. Go ahead and shut the car off real quick. So first of all, you just want to go ahead and push the clip down and pull gently down. This plug would just slide off. Other than that, you turn counterclockwise, bulb comes straight out. All right, so I like to save mine, so I'll just put these right back in the old box. And these are the new ones, so it's plug and play. You just twist it back in, lock it in place, and you plug it in. Zip tie, you zip tie it somewhere nice. It won't get too wet or any moisture there. Other than that, you're pretty much done. Okay, so that's locked in place. Now you just need to connect this. So it does have a positive and negative terminal, so make sure you plug it in right. If not, simply just turn it and you should be fine. There you go. Just tighten it in place. So I'll go ahead and put the zip tie later, and for now we'll go ahead and try it out, and you guys can see how quick and simple that was. And there you go, guys. It is on. So if you come back out, you can actually see the white light. And yeah, it is an upgrade, guys. So don't be afraid to do it. It's cheap and expensive. It takes less than 10 minutes to do both sides. Looks good. So I'm pretty sure at night I will try to update this video to show you the light output at night. There we go. Have a good day, everybody.